Good morning, students. In my previous lecture, we have explained how to calculate equation of a circle in different conditions. For a quick recap, general equation of a circle: x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. R is the radius. H comma k is the coordinate of a center of the circle. And in different conditions we have seen. And one more, if extremities of a diameter is given, then x minus x1, x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So these are two important equations, right? Here x1, y1, x2, y2 are the coordinate of endpoints of a diameter. So this is the equation of a circle. So let's see how to find how to calculate equation of a circle if different conditions are given. For example, so in this video we are going to solve some numericals, basically numericals for numericals. Okay. One numerical from exercise 17a of the circle. Let in the first question of your exercise it is given that find the equation of the circle whose center is 4, 5. Your center, as you know, center is h, k. We have considered. So h, k is given what? 4, 5. So h is 4, k is 5. Okay. And radius r is same. As you know, the formula to calculate equation of a circle, yes, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So putting these values in this equation, you get x minus at the place of h 4 whole square plus y minus at the place of k, that is 5 whole square, is equal to r square at the place of it is 7 square. So opening it, a square plus b square, okay, minus 2ab 8x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y is equal to 49. Now transposing each term along one side, what we can find? X square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y, okay, 25 plus 16, here 1, 2 and 3, 4 plus 41 minus 49 is equal to 0. So x square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y plus 41 minus 49 minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, this is your equation of circle. Now another question. One question is, find the equation of the circle which touch the axis of x at a point at a distance of 4 from the origin and cut off an intercept of 6 from the axis of y. Question is that you have to find equation of circle. Question number 5. Find the equation of circle which touch to x-axis. Suppose this is your origin, which touch to x-axis at distance 4. Just from here it is touching at distance 4. This distance is 4. Touching to x-axis at this distance and cutting in an intercept of 6 on y-axis. It is not given that whether it is cutting the intercept of 6 on plus y-axis or on minus y-axis. Okay, see, means on this side or on that side. So your diagram may be like this. It may be like this. Okay, see, this is at point 4, here it is touching, or it may be like this. Okay, both the diagram are correct. So suppose I am taking this diagram. So what will happen? Draw a normal on this. So this is your radius, right? And what is this? This is your x coordinate of center. So if center is h comma k or k, if this is radius, so this will be h comma r, okay? And this h is 4, so your radius, the center is now 4 comma r. And this intercept is your 6, the c. Now how to find this r? Question is that. Similarly here also you can consider. Suppose this is your center, so this will be 4, obviously, while the radius this time minus r, comma minus r. And what is this? See, like if you draw, so one side only you consider, later I will, otherwise you can get confused. Okay. Now see, how will you find this r, radius? Since you know by the theorem that this part here PQ, this PQ is intercept cut by the circle on y-axis, and so this PQ is also considered as chord of the circle, and if you draw a normal on this chord from the center, then this normal will bisect to this chord by the theorem of circle. So if this total is 6, so this half means from here to here it is 3, it is also 3. And this is equal to this, so this will be 4. Now if you join this with center, this is the point on circumference of the circle. So if you join a point on the circumference of a circle to the center, this will be radius r. So by Pythagoras theorem, this 3 square plus 4 square is equal to r square. So from here r square is equal to 9 plus 16, 25, means r is equal to what? 5. Okay, this r is 5. Now just putting this r is 5 now, therefore your this r radius is 5. So radius is known, center is known. Now you can put in this formula and can find x minus h is 4 whole square, okay, and plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to r square. R is 5 square. This coordinate may be, it may be here, it may be here, or it may be here, okay. So you can take it as plus minus, okay, plus minus. Later I will write it. So putting it x square plus 16 minus 8x plus y square plus 25 minus 10y is equal to 25. 25 cancel out. So it implies x square plus y square minus 8x minus 10y plus 16 is equal to 0. Only you need to take care, if this point will lie here, its coordinate will be minus 4 comma 5. And if this point will be here, its coordinate will be 4 comma minus 5. So if you will take here plus and minus, then this point will come plus minus and this will come plus minus. So here it will come plus minus. Since in all situations this condition whatever given in the question holds good. So this is your final result, that is the equation of a circle under given conditions. Some more numerics. Find the equation of a circle whose center is 0 comma minus 4, center is 0 comma minus 4, 0 comma minus 4, and that is h comma k given, and which touches the x-axis, see. Which touches the x-axis. 0 comma 0 x means on this minus 4. 0 comma minus 4. See, 0 comma minus 4. And which touches the x-axis. If center is here somewhere, okay, so it may touch like this. It is not given that it is touching here or here or here. It is touching to x-axis, right? It is touching to x-axis. So see, if center is here, okay. So you need to remember a condition that we have discussed earlier. Suppose there is a circle which is touching to x-axis. So whenever its center is s comma k and it is touching to x-axis at any point, then one thing is quite clear, that its radius will be equal to same as the coordinate of y. Okay? If it is touching to x-axis, its y coordinate of the center will be equal to radius. So what will be here? Its y coordinate is minus 4. It means your radius will be minus 4. Is it clear? When it means it is touching to this point. So if you join this one, this will be your radius r. So r will be minus 4. R is minus 4. So putting in this equation these values, x minus h is 0. So x square plus y minus 4, y plus 4 whole square is equal to minus 4 whole square. Okay, r only 4 whole square. So x square plus y square plus 16 plus 8y is equal to 16. Cancel out. So x square plus y square plus 8y is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle.